If you're a person like me that loves making personalised Christmas gifts for your family and friends, usually food related, then you're going to love this recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different sorts of Christmas fudge. One, the beautiful white Christmas fudge that I make every year, and of course fudge using my Christmas mince. The great thing about this recipe is it's super simple. All you really need to do is heat up a can of condensed milk and melt chocolate into it. Then you can add whatever flavours you like.
Christmas is here and it's always such fun. But in the North Pole there isn't much sun. It's freezing cold, so with every chance we join together for our favourite dance with a ho ho ho. Time to go go go. Come on everybody, do the boogie with me. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie with me. Come on, is everybody ready? Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie.
Once you've got your chocolate and fruit all combined, it's time to put it into a pan. Now, I just tend to use a brownie pan. Make sure you line it really well though, because this stuff gets really sticky.
It's time to go, go, go. Do the Santa boogie with a jump, jump, jump. And a clap, clap, clap. And a twist, twist, twist.
Twist, twist, twist.
Do the Santa boogie woogie with me. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie with me. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie. Do the boogie, the Santa boogie woogie with me. Okay, here we go again with the hey, hey, hey. And a ho, ho, ho. With the ha, ha, ha. Time to go, go, go. Do the Santa boogie with the jump, jump, jump. And a clap, clap, clap. And a twist, twist, twist.
Twist, twist, twist.
Do the Santa boogie woogie with me.
It's best to refrigerate these fudges for at least 24 hours and they'll get nice and firm. Then the next day you can cut them into little squares and present them as a Christmas gift to your family and friends. If you want to get this recipe and lots of other fudge recipes I've got, go to musicalmenus.com.au. You'll see some of my favourite ones there, like peanut butter and rum and raisin. Enjoy.
Merry Christmas.